What's up, everybody? My name is Brittany McGee. I'm the founder and CEO of OptimizeEV, and we're here to optimize your future one charging station at a time. OptimizeEV is a platform that does predictive maintenance, right? So as you see here, we have a bunch of failed stations. You can see the map of all your failed stations. You can also see in a management system your fleet of chargers that are operating. You can go in and click the fleet that you want to see. You can rename your fleets, and you can actually see chargers and their failure status individually. So as you see here, we have the type of charger, but we also have that probability of failure, and that's the most important piece, whether that's 30% or 75% to get you to a point so that you can go and fix your charger. We have a soft restart option that allows you to restart the charger through our software, and we're going to continue to build and do really cool things with OptimizeEV. So thank you very much for being here. And again, let's optimize our charging one station at a time.